For my expressive language therapy lesson plans, I chose the goals for the client to be able to retell a story with an appropriate beginning, middle, and end, and for the client to be able to use the correct verb tense when in spoken language. I created these activities for an 8-year-old patient. And for the first goal of retelling a story with appropriate beginning, middle, and end, one of the activities that I chose was to have the client use a personal story in order to feel more connected to the session and to the activity. So the client would have to use paper, markers, all these other stuff to be able to draw out an event that happened in their life, such as just going to the park or going to the store, things like that. To make it easier, the client will only have to do 3 cards, so it would be getting in the car, going to the store, driving home. And then to make it harder, the client will have to do 5 to 7 cards. So it would be, we drove to the store, we walked in, we got the milk, we got the butter, we got snacks, got in the car, got home, put groceries away, and that would be the end. For the other goals, for using correct verb tense, I would have the client do a Mad Lib, whether it be an actual Mad Lib like from the book, or a specified Mad Lib to focus more on verbs rather than like nouns, adjectives, and everything else. To make this easier, I would make it a shorter Mad Lib, maybe 2 to 3 entries, and I would give the client choices for which verbs could possibly fit in there and have them choose which ones maybe would sound better and are using the correct tense of the verb. To make this harder, I would have the client read through it on their own and fill it in as best as they could, and then we would review it after the client was done with it. So, yeah.